हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू सीखो सीए स्टूडेंट.
Business process benchmarking. In this recent competitive market, every player claims themselves as the best product or service provider. They are trying their best to prove themselves the same, and to be honest, quite successful in doing so. And we find these players in TV, papers, online, in short, everywhere around us, which is obviously impressing the customers. It is very important for the organization which provides the platform for entities to prove what type of product or service provider they are. And this platform is important for them to gain an edge over their competitors and to get ahead of competition. How they determine themselves better than others? They use benchmarking. Each organization collects huge information which helps them for the strategic decision making. It is vital for the organization to understand how they translate and use the collected information in their planning and decision making. The term benchmarking has been adapted from physical science, where it refers to a surveyor's mark made on a stationary object as a reference point to measure altitudes. Over a period of time, it has expanded to modern business activity. As of now, different commercial and non-commercial organizations are discovering the value of benchmarking and are applying it themselves to improve their process and systems. Then, what is benchmarking? Simply stating, benchmarking is an approach of setting goals and measuring productivity based on best industry practice. Benchmarking encourages the improvement in the performance by comparing different aspects of performance with the best practices, identifying gaps and method to minimize the gaps and improve the situations. Benchmarking itself cannot solve all the business problems that arise in an organization. However, it analyzes the existing process which provides the framework for the improvement. Benchmarking suggests to use better process. Before coming to this point, efforts are made to learn, improve, and evolve them to suit the organizational circumstances. Further, you can note that benchmarking exercise need to be repeated periodically so that the organization does not lag behind in the dynamic environment. Benchmarking is a process of continuous improvement in search for competitive advantage. It measures a company's products, service, and practices against those of its competitors or other acknowledged leaders in their field. Firm can use benchmarking process to achieve improvement in diverse range of management functions like maintenance operation, assessment of total manufacturing cost, product development, product distribution, customer service, plant utilization levels, human resource management, and so on. If you have any queries, please feel free to comment. Thank you.